Got a new car? Congratulations! The joy is real. But so is the need for regular car maintenance. Routine maintenance is like a health checkup for your car. It helps prevent costly repairs and keeps your vehicle running smoothly. Skipping maintenance may seem harmless until you're faced with a big repair bill or a sudden breakdown. Let's break it down. 5,000 miles, change the oil and filter. 10,000 miles, rotate the tires. 15,000 miles, replace the air filter. 20,000 miles, check and change brake pads if needed. Each month, check oil and coolant levels, tire pressure and tread, lights and wiper blades. And don't forget to wax your car every 6 months. Professional checks catch hidden issues early. A small leak today can become a major problem tomorrow. Maintaining your car also builds trust with insurers. A well-maintained car is a safer car. Enjoy every drive, but don't forget regular maintenance. Consider Royal Sundaram for your car insurance needs. To seamlessly buy your car insurance, log on to our website to find the best policy that suits you.